Scott here with ArtistsNetwork, and I want to welcome you to this course on color theory for color mixing. So this course is right for you if you're a beginning painter, or if you've been painting for a while and you want to boost your skills in mixing accurate color. We're going to explore the color wheel. We'll explore the key terms, hue, value, and saturation. We'll look at complementary colors and why they're so critical in understanding how to mix accurate color. And then we'll also explore color relationships and ways that you can improve your observation of color. Now, color theory is a huge topic, and what I've done here is I've picked out the key elements that I think are critical in terms of understanding how to mix accurate color. So I've put together a set of exercises that you can do to help boost your skills. So if you're ready, let's get going, and we'll start with the first lesson.